Welcome WBP stars, welcome in our garden. This is the herb side, we just started. We're just opened, so this is the beginning. Hopefully next year it's going to be bigger and bigger. Here we got some marigolds. The first nasturtium coming up. So hopefully next month we got a lot, so we can plate some dishes. The borage flowers are almost finished. It's the little blue ones we use for the dairy. We go a little bit back, we got the red currants and some cherries. Here we got some mint, some thyme, some bay leaves, some rosemary. We got the dill over here. We got the rhubarb. It's the last rhubarb we have, so it's still on the menu. Just walk over a bit. Here we got the red currants. They're fully in season now, they're going really nice. Not too sour, they already get sweet. And at the end we got some cherries. It's almost finished. Maybe we can grab a few still. Good. We got our cherries. Last week we had the Mirdis. Get some freshly picked cherries, and this is part of our garden. Thank you for watching.